Many times I've thought I've had a quick project, and I get into it and it opens up Pandora's box. Today is different though. This is a quick project that is actually just a really quick project. What I'm doing today is spraying a rust preventative undercoating on my 78 K20 Chevy. This is my plow truck. It does get driven in the winter, and there isn't much rust on it right now, so I'd like to keep it that way. I do hate rust. Now, this truck has had previous undercoatings done in the past. I used Crown when I lived in Ontario. That was many years ago. And the Crown, I think, actually did a pretty good job of helping prevent rust. There really isn't much rust at all on the chassis. There is a few small areas of rust on the body. Not much, and I would like to get it back to zero rust, but for now the goal is just to prevent any further rust. So as mentioned, many years ago I paid for Crown to spray this undercoating on the truck. Today the plan is to do it myself. So I bought the supplies, and I don't think this is going to be very hard, and it turns out it actually isn't at all. The spray gun I purchased from Woolwax. It comes with a direct spraying tip on the gun, and then these two attachments. One is just kind of a extended straight shot, and the other has orifices 360 around, basically to spray perpendicular really to the tip of the extension. When I made this purchase, I looked on Amazon, and there are cheaper kind of knockoff guns available. However, the reviews on those seem to indicate that they weren't very reliable. This one purchased from Woolwax. It does appear to be a decent quality spray applicator. So apparently this spray gun is made in Italy by Kelsport. The product I'm using for the undercoating is this Blaster Surface Shield. This is a lanolin based undercoating. I think it's quite similar to the Woolwax and to the fluid film. These are all lanolin based. There probably is some sort of difference in the proprietary herbs and spices on each one, but generally they all work under the same principle. So these lanolin undercoatings, it's my understanding that they go on fairly wet, and they stay fairly fluid, I suppose. So they don't cure or harden like a paint, and they stay a bit more fluid than, say, a Cosmoline. So this is my first time spraying undercoating, and I'm sure there's an art to it and techniques by people who know what they're doing, but basically I just sprayed it everywhere. And as I progressed, I got more and more liberal and basically just coated everything. Now, of course, I did try to avoid the exhaust pipes. I also tried to avoid the drivetrain, partly because there's no rust on it, and anything that I thought I would need to be wrenching on at any time. I did avoid those, just because this does create a film, and there is dirt and dust will stick to that film as well. So it's not super nice in anywhere that you want to be working. But on the frame and on the body, it provides a good surface protection. I also used the extensions to go down inside any body panels that were possible. There are multiple plastic plugs throughout the truck. Some of these probably are from the factory, some I think were put there by Crown when they were doing the spraying years ago. So I opened up these plastic plugs, and then I'd use the either of the longer extensions. Well, I use both actually, and I would basically just jam it in there as far as possible and apply a whole bunch of product inside the body panels. So basically I just went through the truck and under the hood or the doors or the box, just place it every place that I could. And the spray gun from Wool Wax, it worked very well. I don't have any other ones to compare it to, but I certainly have no complaints with this one. That's it. See ya.